Hello everyone and welcome to another Go High Level tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to install the Metapixel in Go High Level funnels. It's extremely easy. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. Step number one, we're going to log into our Facebook Business Manager or Meta Business Suite. Same thing. We are going to open the menu from the left-hand side and we're going to select Events Manager. If you don't see Events Manager up here, go under Advertise and find Events Manager and click on it. Once we open Events Manager, first of all, if you manage multiple Meta accounts, you need to go to the top right-hand side and make sure you navigate to the correct account. And once this is done, then we're going to select datasets from the left-hand side. So once we select datasets, now there are two cases. If the pixel is completely new, now we're going to select test dataset, and this is completely new Metapixel. Then we're going to scroll down and we are going to click on Setup Metapixel, gather website events from browser activity. So we're going to click here. We're going to say we want to install the code manually. And we are simply going to copy the code from here. This is the case if this is completely new pixel and is not used. If the pixel is used, meaning it has some activity like this one, then you're going to scroll down, you're going to click Add Events, you are going to say Set up New Integration, you're going to select Metapixel, you're going to click Setup, you're going to say I want to manually add the code to the website, and then you're going to copy the code, right? So long story short, we're going to copy the Metapixel code. Once you copy the Metapixel code, then you're going to navigate to Go High Level. In Go High Level, you're going to go to Sites, Funnels. You're going to click on your funnel. And once you click on your funnel, then you're going to select Settings. In Settings, you're going to scroll down. There is this body tracking code basically here. And here you're going to paste the pixel and you are going to save. That's it. Once you paste the pixel code here in the settings and you save, the pixel code will automatically be applicable to all the funnel steps, right? So if you go, let's say, to step 2 in the funnel, you can see the Metapixel is here as well. So long story short, if I am to recap, you need to log into your Facebook Business Manager or Meta Business Suite. You need to go to Events Manager. When you go to Events Manager, make sure you are under the right account, go to your datasets, and then if the pixel is already in use, you're going to click Add Events, Set up New Integration, Metapixel. I want to manually add the code to the website, and you're going to copy the code. If the pixel is new, you're going to select the new pixel. You are going to click here, Set up the Metapixel, gather websites events for browser activity. You're going to say Install the code manually. You're going to copy the code, navigate back to Go High Level. You're going to click on your funnel, Settings, under Body Tracking Code. You're going to paste the Metapixel and you are going to save. And that's it. That's how you can install the Metapixel in a Go High Level funnel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.